Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add sizes on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to unmute it. In order to add sizes to your product, go to your product and now you can add a new product, but right now I'm going to show you with my existing product. So I'm going to opening this one. So open your product editor and scroll down, and you will find this options. This product has options like size or color. To add size, check this option and click on add another option. Option name, from this list select size, and option values, give here the size name and add another value here, another value, and then click on done. So here you can see the size has been added, and now click on save. So this was how we can add sizes on Shopify product. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to unmute it. Thank you for watching.